Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Haba penpanya halor ke Jingkren jong National General Secretary ke BJP Arun Singh haga sengi ba uwan shanong ba Shillong da ka baong ba ke BJP kan penleng khojlut ya ke Kongres haga election arajar arpulai. Unong ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong baka Jingkren jong Arun kadai ka Bthah de ki he BJP bat ka bakum kani ke Jingkren kandang yai peteng nang ne syakman. Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong bala ai ki ka kam bakin le kumta bala da kimkren kumta kinam yo kam yo jam hapo ka seng jongki.
BJP has their own rhetoric. You have seen their rhetoric in 2013, 2018. So it continues. It's their job. If they don't speak what they are asked to speak, they will be jobless. Okay. Any general secretary coming, they are asked to speak what they have to speak. You have seen, no, I saw him speaking. He was reading and speaking. Points were already well scripted. So he was speaking what he was asked to speak. So it was more like parrot speaking. We have to be watchful and see what is their motive. We are doing that. See, I will suggest that any contentious issue, these are contentious issues because there are multiple opinions. It's not that everybody will toe in the same thinking and may be agreeing to justify. But then the fact is that these type of contentious issues for a political party, particularly national political parties, should not engage in petty politics. They don't need to play politics with these small states. They don't need to. They want to be in power. We have only 2 seats of parliament. So how does it benefit the nation? By creating that sense of doubt on the sincerity and commitment of the leadership in Delhi, whether it is BJP or any political party for that matter. So what type of message are we going to send to all our brethren in different parts of the country is very crucial. And this is also again based on the in-depth understanding of leaders in as far as the complexity of the problem associated with the northeastern region, including the aspirations and expectations of the people of the northeastern region and the associated challenges in this region. The complexities associated with the northeastern region in respect of social and economic related challenges, it's completely different. You have borders. What type of border? Is it the border of prosperity or border of conflict or border of smuggling? You see, you have border with Myanmar. Is it seen as advantageous for the people who are residing in the international border? Rather, it is just the opposite. You will always see the reference. The remotest part of the country. Which are those remotest parts? The areas which are bordering the international border with Bangladesh. The villages which are bordering the international border with Myanmar. They are considered.